In this video, I will show you how to get YouTube Premium cheap. If you like this video, please like the video and subscribe. Here we go. So as you can see on the official youtube.com page, you can find the YouTube Premium subscription, which will cost you so much money every month. You can see that it can be a certain budget depending on the families. So I'm going to offer you 3 methods to get the YouTube Premium subscription much cheaper. First, you can get a free trial of YouTube Premium on youtube.com. Just type in Google YouTube free trial, and then you can find this free trial to use. Please note that it is only valid for 1 month, and then you will have to pay to continue enjoying the YouTube Premium subscription. You can also find the different YouTube Premium subscription plans. For example, you have the family plan or the student plan, which will allow you to have discounts on the YouTube Premium subscription. But my favorite tip, which allows me to save a lot of money every month, is to use the GamesGo subscription sharing platform, which allows several people around the world to share premium subscriptions, and thus save money every month. You will find the link to access the GamesGo platform directly under the video, either in the description or in the first pinned comment. You just have to click on it and you will be automatically redirected to the GamesGo platform. Then you just need to log in at the top right with a Gmail or Hotmail address and register in just a few minutes. Once this is done, on the home page, you will be able to find the YouTube Premium subscription. You just have to click on it. So you can see it's a YouTube Premium subscription that's going to work on all your devices, your computer, your TV, your mobile devices. This will allow you to join a YouTube Premium family group where you can transform your current YouTube account with all your subscriptions into YouTube Premium and thus allow you to have no ads on YouTube and watch videos in the background. It's really very simple. I have been using the GamesGo platform for over a year now, and I am very satisfied. It saves me a lot of money every month. By the way, many subscribers on the YouTube channel also save a lot of money thanks to this trick. So just click on Join Now. You will be able to choose the duration of your YouTube Premium subscription. It ranges from 6 months to 24 months. Please note that 24 months will allow you to have the biggest discount. You will see that it will cost you only €3.38 per month if you take 24 months of YouTube Premium subscription. You can also add the promo code GUMMY like this to get an additional discount. You can then click on Go to Payment. You can pay by credit card, debit card, Apple Pay, Google Pay. The platform is 100% secure. Once your payment is made, you will instantly receive in your subscription section the procedure to activate your YouTube Premium account. All you need to do is enter the email address of your current YouTube account and you will automatically join the YouTube Premium family plan to have access to all YouTube videos without any ads.